Check out what I received from Kitchen World. It's a 4-piece spatula set. And what's really nice is it is in different sizes. So here is one, and it's also very flexible and made of silicone. And here's the thin one. It's perfect for getting inside those hard to reach little jars. Here's another one. This is great for kitchen batter or pancakes too. And here's another smaller one, which is again ideal for jars. And let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the handle as well as the spatula. Also has a hole so you can hang it up when not in use, or you can just put it in a drawer or in a utensil holder. Here's a close-up of the thin one. And here's another one. This is another one that is beveled edged and also kind of small, perfect for those hard to reach jars. And this is the last one. Look how nice it looks. It has a nice concave design. Perfect. And it's also flexible too. These are really handy to use in the kitchen, and it also comes in a variety of colors to choose from as well. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.